Thanks, guys. Watch your fingers when you lower it. Do you want the broom, Ken?
Oh, yeah, we need the broom.
Well, actually, it's what I think we're gonna use. Remember how we struggled with the broom and the ladder and the height?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna use the pool pole, it's longer, I'm gonna put my
You're not gonna use the broom, Kim.
wide
They're not
bristle
gonna use
brush
the
on the
broom.
end of it, so that we have more surface to work
Okay,
with.
so we don't have to get on the ladder?
And don't have to go on the
Nice.
ladder.
All right,
I think.
All right.
That should work.
that sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan, man. That works.
And this one is the hard one. The other one is.
Well, what really trips me out here is, okay, see, this makes no sense at all. Oh, wait, this is steel.
Yeah, it does. It's a thin.
Yeah, it's just yeah, because I was going, how did they weld steel to aluminum? You can't do that.
All right.
Lower her down. You got that thing on there too. Yep. Okay, I got a hold of this thing. Okay, that looks good. Looks good.
Let me grab one of the tie down straps and hold this up.
I forgot how. Oh, I remember how we do that. Pull the wing out. Yeah, send him one. It was huge. Almost bigger this one. Yeah, it was really neat. I have to look on my phone. I want to buy a couple more blow-ups. The nice thing on Amazon, you can get them in 2 days. They had one at Lowe's, but it won't get here. They're out of stock, and it won't get here till like December 3rd.
I think the tail should have been down a bit deeper in the yard personally.
Huh? Actually, you know, being out like that, you see more of it, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna push that up. Careful, it's sharp on the edges.
So now it's gonna be Senator gets.
What if we just loop it with the loop and put the other in the loop? We're just gonna hold it temporarily.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
That's good. You knew you were over here for a reason.
This is actually.
You know what? You're not as dumb as I look.
I don't fund college education, but I'm good at like kind of seeing how things go.
Yeah. It's just temporary. It's temporary.
Hey,
Yeah, it's like
that was good.
Not good. Now I do have to get the ladder to get that.
Yeah.